Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop someone from messaging you on TikTok. So first, open TikTok app and go to the person's profile. Next, tap the share icon in the top right corner. Then look for the option to block the user. Click block and tap block again and confirm your choice. So once you block them, they won't be able to send you a direct messages or interact with your account in the usual way. If you don't want to block them completely, you can also adjust your message privacy settings. So to do that, go to your
On Gen
profile.
7.
Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right. Go to settings and privacy. Next, you can scroll down and look for direct messages.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So from here, you can adjust who is allowed to send you messages and you can choose a more restrictive option. So that's how you can stop someone from messaging you on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.